Hey, it's Todd Ault and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is spot trade. And I usually get this definition pretty easy, and you can remember it too this way, and that is on the spot, meaning right now. In the future is a future delivery. Today on the spot is the spot delivery today. This refers to the price of Forex, commodities, oil, gas, corn, etc. Spot trade is the price you can get it today. You can buy it or you can sell it right now for delivery today. Today's word is spot trade, not to be confused with futures, in which you can buy something for a future price or future value. But on the spot, you can get that currency today at this price. You can get oil today at this price. As a side note to spot trade, if you're spot trading oil, you're usually prepared to take delivery that day or pretty much around that time frame. You can be spot trading oil and have to take delivery within a relatively short period of time, or just like corn, soybeans, etc. Today's word is spot trade. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.